Hello, and thank you for joining us on Main Street Party of Four. Today, we are checking into Disney's Coronado Spring Resort, staying at the Gran Destino Tower. So, come on along.
Welcome home.
All right, this is a standard water view room here at the tower, Gran Destino Tower at Coronado Springs. When you walk in, the barn doors open up so that you can get into the bath, which has the walk-in shower, the double rainfall and handheld, as well as the soap dispensers mounted on the wall. And lavatory. Dual sink area. Oops, if I can get my camera to go the right way. They still do have some of the Disney H2O products, the body lotion. The mouthwash and the vanity kit, I really like getting those here when you're staying at a moderate. You do have a closet with the safe and storage as well. This is also where you have your extra blankets and pillows, full-length mirror. Hey, look, there's me with my gimbal. Then you have your little bench to sit, Keurig ice maker, TV. Here is your beverage cooler. You know it's a beverage cooler because it has the clear front on it. Once you open that bad boy up, some storage. I mean, for us, it's pretty ample amount of storage for the couple of days that we're going to be staying here. There is a chair for you to sit in as well. You also have the Hey Disney Alexa app. You got to remember when you come in, it will be muted. So if you want to use it, you have to unmute it. That way you can say, "Hey Disney, what time does the park open today?"
Let me ask Alexa for that.
There is a park called Encore Tropical Palms on Holiday Trail in Kissimmee. It is open today from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Boy, you would think that she would tell me what time the Disney parks were open, but you know, technology and all. This is a water view. If you look this way, we have a beautiful view of Hollywood Studios. Over that way, you got Animal Kingdom as well, and I think Epcot is on the other side, but at night you'll get some great fireworks through here. Really fun to watch. And it's really a nice view. There's 3 bridges right there, and we'll move on down there this evening. So there are the casitas area, which is back that way. And so there you go. There you have it. This is Coronado Springs.
Hi, I'm from Little Hollow, North Carolina, and my name's Mackenzie Carter, and don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four.